If you have a plumbing services business or have a local services business, in these videos only for you. These videos I am sharing with you my plumbing client campaign case study, hot types of strategy I followed, all everything I am showing in this video. So let's start this video. I'm starting in this client on January 24 in 2026. I'm selecting that like January 2024 and all time. Okay, so you see here just 802 click and average CPC on 0.87 and I get 153 conversion and the cost is on 0.5000. If I see the cost for conversion is 9.82 dollar, and if I see the conversion rate, just a minute, and you see here conversion rate is 19.08%. it's too good. And you see here CTR rate is 4.82. it's some bad. I need to working that, need to improving it. So if I go the ads group, we create 4 ads group on campaign under. We create like two electrical keyword and 2 plumbing keyword. So electrical ads I pause, just plumbing ad group and ads I am running consistently. So you see here I divided like 2 kind of ad group on each plumbing mixing types of keyword. Like if I go this ads group under like emergency plumber near me, cheap plumbing service, plumbers near me, plumbing services near me, that's the thing. And if I go again ads group, just a minute, is plumbing mix keyword I see previously. Plumbing mix keyword under I get 86.50. It's a matrix problem, and this keyword under we get best result like cost per conversion is 8.38. and you see here click 302 on, and this ads group under cost is high. And if I see the just a minute, I need to see average CPC, average cost, average CPC, like average CPC. This ads group under 2.24 and this ads group under 1.8 on. Okay, and conversion rate, this ads group conversion rate is too high. This ads group conversion rate is little bit low. And if I go the keyword section like plumbing edgy keyword, here is all types of edgy related keyword. Like I pause that keyword because you see here this keyword under cost per conversion is too much high. That's why it's not profitable for me. This keywords also not profitable for me. I also need to pause it. So you see here here is all kind of edgy related keyword. And if I select conversion column, this keyword under I get most result and this keyword under also. And I go search term, you see here, and select conversion column cheap plumber Singapore. These keywords also I added. And I check search term, and here is I see like this keywords is not relevant for my service. That's why I use as a negative keyword in this keyword. And if I go the ads, and just a minute. This also eligible, this also eligible. If I go view asset details, and select already selected conversion column, you see here 100% cheapest plumber in HG. This headline under we get 77.83 conversion. It's most profitable headline for me. And you see here like this sum of headline I need to change immediately. This headlines under we click 7 but conversion is 0 also this headline. And if I go the another ads group ads, this one, and already conversion column was selected. Also here is a main headline 100% cheapest plumber in HG. This one also give us best result, you see here, and this one also. And if I go under this one I need to change, and also this one. So and if I go the location section, like I think this under location I get, and I go Singapore and go the neighborhood. If I select conversion column, you see central area Singapore. These areas I get 17.15 conversion, and conversion cost per conversion is $9, and this area is most profitable, like $6 and 15 conversion we get. If I select the cost per conversion column, you see here, oh my god, these areas under we get like 57.29 cost per conversion. We need to immediately like just a minute, I need to exclude it. Don't worry, I will do it. And these two area, these two location is cost per conversion is too much high. I need to immediately exclude that. Also this is not huge cost per conversion, but this one and this one is too much high. And also you see here oh my god, 1.1 dollar I get conversion, cost per conversion. You see this one, like it's also we can afford, but this one and this one is too much high. I need to immediately pause, exclude it. And you see here like this ads account fastly, like if I select her wall, my client run on ads. You see, just select all time. You see they just spend $8, then they hired me, and I use like and I create this campaign for their. Firstly I use maximize click bidding, and I get that then I get, when I get like 20 conversion, and I switch the maximize conversion bidding, and then I consistently getting, like if I see the yesterday result, I get 3 conversion. And if I see the 1 4 March, I get 8 conversion. It's really so too much good, you see. And if I see like last 7 days we get 25 conversion, and cost per conversion is 8.77 US dollar. You see here it's too much good, and my client is very happy, because many low budget they get huge conversion. And so yeah, that's it for today. If you have any question or need any help, just contact with me on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video.